How long does it take to develop a website? A common question that we get asked is, how long does it take for a website? Some people have a preconceived notion that it could be done within a week, and that's based on the fact that they've seen the Wix and Weebly and GoDaddy solutions, which really, by the way, are doing you a disservice online if you're concerned about showing up on search engines such as Google. When you come to us and we say, look, that's going to take 8 weeks minimum, could be 12 or even 16 weeks depending on features and functionality. We go through a very rigid steps of standard operating procedures. We have steps we go through. The design phase, we customize it for you. We build your pages out to make sure that they're easy and modular and they flow and look good on mobile screens and tablets as well as desktops. We also go and structure the website so that it can be picked up by Google so that you have a chance of getting on that first page for your content. With a bit more work, of course, but we put the framework and the foundation in place in order to support that. And then, of course, there's all the testing that occurs. There's maybe some additional functionality that you want. Contact forms, custom databases, talking to your back end, maybe e-commerce, photo galleries, video galleries. These are all possible in a custom project and not quite as flexible to do when you go on some kind of templated site. A rush project, and we have done some of these occur, you can get something accomplished within a month or less. The problem there is that everything needs to be ready for us. We need all of your content, all your photos, all your images, everything immediately available on day one so that we can just go. When somebody tells you that a website's going to take 8 weeks and isn't going to be completed this weekend, keep in mind that there's a lot more under the hood of that vehicle, the website, that it's not all about the looks, but it's about the functionality, foundation, and framework underneath. And that's where you're going to benefit for your online marketing. This is just like going and shopping for a vehicle. You get what you pay for.